Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: the incredible benefits of intermittent fasting. Before we dive into the benefits, let's first understand what intermittent fasting is and how it works. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. Instead of focusing on what to eat, it emphasizes when to eat. Research has shown that intermittent fasting can have numerous positive effects on our health. Benefit 1. One of the key benefits of intermittent fasting is improved insulin sensitivity. It can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those with diabetes or at risk of developing it. During fasting periods, our cells undergo a process called autophagy, where they remove damaged components, leading to cellular repair and improved longevity. Benefit 2. Intermittent fasting has gained popularity for its role in promoting weight loss and supporting a healthy weight. It can kickstart fat burning, increase metabolic rate, and reduce calorie intake, leading to successful weight management. Benefit 3. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting may benefit brain health and cognitive function. By promoting the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF), fasting may enhance learning, memory, and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Benefit 4. Fasting periods give our digestive system a much-needed break, allowing it to rest and repair. This can lead to improved gut health, better digestion, and reduced gastrointestinal issues. Benefit 5. Intermittent fasting has shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases. By decreasing inflammation, intermittent fasting may contribute to overall better health and reduced risk of certain illnesses. Benefit 6. Many individuals who practice intermittent fasting report increased energy levels and improved mood. Fasting can trigger the release of endorphins and other hormones that positively influence mood and well-being. Benefit 7. Intermittent fasting can have social benefits as well. It can create bonding experiences, as friends and family can come together during eating windows. Conclusion. So there you have it, the incredible benefits of intermittent fasting. Incorporating this eating pattern into your lifestyle may lead to a happier, healthier you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, intermittent fasting isn't for everyone, so consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Take care, and see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.